My fabulous chemistry faithful video number 4. How do we recognize acids and bases? Okay, and neutral salts. Okay, so first off, table K, see it up there? That is right off your reference tables. Let's see if we can do like that. There you go. I can see it a little better. We know that acids always produce H plus ions from their formulas. These react with water to make the H3O ions in solution. Remember, H plus and H3O plus are the same thing. They are tart tasting. Think of a food that's an acid. Vinegar. Vinegar is acetic acid. Okay, so anything with pickles is acidic. Okay, and it's gonna be a little bit tart. Sting in eyes or in cuts like lemon juice, which is citric acid. Make sure I got that one right. Will react vigorously with most metals to produce hydrogen gas. We'll find out the 3 that it doesn't react with. They are electrolytes because they produce dissociated ions in solutions. They will light the light bulb. Litmus is one of the generic indicators. So it turns litmus red. It will look like pure water. It'll be clear and colorless. You might even see a little wave in it. Then we go on to bases. Notice new table now, L, and there's only 4 of them there. They're going to produce hydroxide ion, OH minus in solution, either directly or indirectly. They will be bitter. Dark chocolate is basic. They react with skin oils to produce a slippery feel. Okay, we use, number 1 rule of Fight Club, right? Don't talk about Fight Club. But they made soap using fat and lye, which is a really, really strong base. Soaps are basic. Part of how we clean oil and grease so well. They're also electrolytes. They produce dissociated ions in solution. They will turn litmus paper blue, not red. And they will also, many of them look like pure water, clear and colorless. These guys, though, do not react with metals. Only hydrogen reacts with metals, so that would be acids. All right, this is one of those things I just need you to learn this unit because we're going to get into the double replacement reactions for neutralization soon. So a salt is a generic word for any ionic solid. When I say salt, I'm not saying table salt. I'll specifically call it table salt or NaCl. This is the product of a neutralization reactor with an acid and a base. They do not produce acidic H pluses in solution. They do not produce basic OH minuses in solution. Okay. How do we name these things? Okay. The spectator ion is the root, and then all ending with ic acid. So hydrochloric acid, then nitrous acid has to do with the difference between nitrate and nitrite. So they call it nitrous acid and nitric acid. Sulfurous acid and sulfuric acid. Phosphoric acid. Carbonic acid. They all end in ic acid. HCl becomes hydro. Chlorine becomes chloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Bomb. You don't really need to know how to name these things. I've never seen an acid or a base on the test that is not in table K or L. All right, same things with base. Name the metal ending in with hydroxide. So that becomes sodium hydroxide. Done. Sodium hydroxide. You just got to know where to find these names. They are on table K and table L. And with that, we're done with video 4.